We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing, "We've done a great job," as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.